Good morning, YouTube. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good Monday. Excited again for a new trading day, for the opportunities to come and what we're gonna learn. I feel like I learn something every day, which is super exciting. I was actually doing some research with Tori Trades, just a huge trader slash influencer right now, and she got me to look at trend lines more closely and excited to just implement that with my current strategy. So just put in a couple trend lines. I have support, resistance, and trend lines. As a breakout trader, I trade 9:30 a.m. during market open, simply because that's when volume happens. And yeah, it's all about managing risk, taking profit during times of when there's liquidity in the market, just solid support and resistance lines, and managing risk. So we'll see what we can do. 1 to 2 trades a day, same routine, and hopefully we can end the day on a green note. So we have about 2 minutes until market open. Just make sure everything's good here. So I will be looking at sells below 21,391 and buys above 21,475. 2 trades maximum for today. So we have 30 seconds until market open. We will see what happens today. Market is open. Looks like we are pushing down slightly. Just want a good push to confirm sells and a break of this trend line right here with 2 touch points. We do have a red folder event at 10 a.m. again today, so I'll be out of my trade by 9:55. Volume is a little bit slow on the open, so just working to be patient until we see it push up or down. Looks like we're just stuck today. First minute in, nothing really happening. Anticipating the price to push one way or the other. We are on the 15-minute time frame. Looks like we do have some bullish volume coming in. We will be preparing for buys if we break this resistance line right here at 21,475. So here we would have two confirmations of a trend line break and a resistance break. And we would look for clean range all the way up to about 21,587. I would honestly prefer buys today, but we'll see what happens. Just kind of ranging right now, nothing happening, just staying patient as usual. Let's look at this on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we are preparing for buys, as you can see. About to break that 5-minute trend line. I just want to wait for the trend line break and then a resistance break, and I'd be confident taking this trade. Come on, volume. Where are you? Give us some volume. Okay, we are approaching buys. Just one more push. All right, we are going to one more push and I'll be in buys. Just give us one more push up. Still staying stuck. buys look good. Right about. Buys are looking good
Order
right now.
filled.
So we are currently in buys. We'll go ahead and remove our sell bias. So what I saw here is a trend line break to the upside. I saw a trend line break here to the upside and a resistance break, hoping for volume to continue to push up. Stop loss is if it retraces more than half of this current 15-minute candle. But we're just really trying to respect this upward trend line. We do have clean range up until 21,590. So the trade breakdown, I just got into a trade right here. We saw a trend line break to the upside, and we saw a resistance break. Once it had these two confirmations, I saw clean range to the left inside all the way up to 21,599. Stop loss is about 50 points on this trade, but the stop loss is with the intention that this candle, this current 15-minute candle, has no business retracing more than 50% of its current candle. So that's what we have on today's trade, and just hoping for the best. We have, we'll probably be out of this trade by 9:55. Just hoping for the continuation of bullish volume. Be placing stops to about halfway of this candle right here. So what we'll be waiting for is the close of the 15-minute candle right at 9:45. If we can close above 21,475, that would give me more confirmation that we will continue this uptrend up to the upside. So we have about a minute until the 15-minute closure. Just to reiterate why I took this trade, I saw a break of this trend line to the upside and also a resistance break at 21,482. And what I saw was clean range to the left inside all the way up to 21,599. My stop loss is the purpose of continuing alongside this upward trend line, and also that this current 15-minute candle has no business in retracing 50% of its current body. So that's what I'm seeing. Of course, I'm always being mindful of managing risk and making sure that if this does turn into a losing trade, I will lose less than anticipated, and I will be taking profits on the way up to 21,589. So we'll just be waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Like I said, if we close above 21,482, that'll give me more confirmation that we'll continue the way up for a successful trade. So we just had a 15-minute candle closure above 21,483. This gives me confirmation that we will continue to go up with this clean range all the way to 21,591. Starting the trade, I saw a break of a trend line and also a break in resistance at 21,483, which gave me confidence to take this position. Now I am just going to manage my risk, making sure I am taking profits all the way to the clean range to 21,599. But if we do break to the downside, I don't anticipate this retracing more than 50% of the previous candle's body. So I will be thinking of losing less if we start going on the downside. Hoping we can see a wick down and a continuation up. There's the wick down. Now waiting for the continuation on the way up. So I'm going to move my stop loss right here, move my stop loss up. There was the wick down. Now we're hoping for a continuation up on the 15-minute time frame. I do like the wick down and then the continuation to go up. I moved my stops a little bit higher, so I will be losing less if this is a losing trade, but I'm going to continue to hold here. There's a good push. I will think about taking partial profits now. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take partial profits right here.
Order filled.
So I took partials right there. Now I'm going to let the rest run to 21,590. Placing stops below this current 15-minute candle. We're just chilling, seeing if the rest of the position is going to hit stop loss or if we're going to continue to go up to about 21,585 would be my next takes profit zone. We do have news coming at 10 a.m., so I just want to be out of this position by then. Just look at the 5-minute. Okay, that's a good push. Take a little bit more profit right there.
Order filled.
Let's see where this 5-minute candle closes. Okay. I like the continuation push up. I'll probably move stops right here below the previous 5-minute candle. Have news in 5 minutes, so I do want to be out of this trade in the next 5 minutes. Just give us one more good push. Come on. There you go. That's a good push right there. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and close out of this position.
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. That is my trading day. I fully closed right there. Very successful trade. Just really trying to be better with my execution, my entry points. I'm extremely happy with today, and I appreciate everyone joining my journey. This is just wild. It just continues to push up. I'm still battling between whether or not I should take positions on the 5-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. Let's see, on the 5-minute. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that would have been a very, very strong chunk of change and profit on the 5 minute time frame. But nonetheless, I'm happy. I'm in profit 1,200, and it's still continuing to push up. That's crazy. Let's see, 15 minute. Five-minute. I'm just observing price right now. I want to see what happens during the 10 a.m. News event. Let's see. Yeah, that would have been a perfect trade on the 5 minute time frame. News event just occurred, and it looks like it's making the market push up. Okay, well, yeah, that's that. Just happy to be green for today. I'm only taking one trade today. I'm trying to think if I should take trades on the 5 minute time frame or the 15 minute time frame. They both have their pros and cons. For this trade in particular, and I'm just explaining this because I'm on my journey to be a professional trader. If I took it on the 5 minute, that would have been an easy 1 to 3. Okay. Well, thanks for joining. I will reflect on this trade, hopefully make some improvements, but I am extremely happy with my execution of this trade, and I will